Hello, everyone. My name is Akikumi Akinomi. I'm a trainee data analyst at Quantum Analytics. As part of my internship project, I have analyzed the global COVID-19 data as released by the World Health Organization on 23rd December 2021, as well as the Nigerian Center for Disease and Control COVID-19 data, which was also released on December 23rd, 2021. So first, I'm going to share my Power BI visualization with you, and thereafter, I will share my Tableau visualization of the same data set. All right, so here we go. All right. All right, so as mentioned earlier, my data sources are the World Health Organization's website, okay, and the Nigerian Center for Disease Control's website. So based on the data from the World Health Organization and according to the World Health Organization, global, global cumulative COVID-19 cases is what? 72 billion. Global cumulative death, 2 billion. New cases globally, 275 million. And new deaths globally, 5 million. So first, let's look at my analysis of COVID-19 around the world. And as seen in this map, we can see the spread of COVID-19 all around the world. You know, the blue bubbles everywhere shows the countries. Okay, this is Bermuda, this is South, this is Brazil, and then and on, you know, Honduras and on. So this map shows different countries around the world, and could move the map and see other regions. This is North America, this is the United States, and so the map shows the spread of COVID-19 all around the world, which means the whole world has been impacted by COVID-19. Okay, so in this chart here, I've also visualized the countries as well as the cumulative COVID-19 cases in those countries. Okay, and at the top here, the top three countries are United States, India, and Brazil, followed by Russia, United Kingdom, France, Turkey, Spain, and all. And we can find Nigeria. If Nigeria is down here somewhere. Still trying to get it. All right, so yeah, so Nigeria is down here. So you know, so which goes to show us that which goes to show that there hasn't been so much outbreak of COVID-19 in Nigeria and numerous other African countries. And I believe the only African country here that we can see is South Africa. You know, South Africa, and you know, so that's what it shows us. All right, so let's also look at this pie chart. This, yeah, this pie chart. So from based on the data I sourced from the World Health Organization, it shows us that in January, okay, yeah, the cumulative cases, February, March, April, and all. So this shows cumulative COVID-19 cases as well as death by year. Okay, here are also the regions, COVID-19 cases compared to death in various regions. Okay, and so these various regions are the abbreviations, but the full name AMRO, for example, means region of the Americans. SEARO means Southeast Asian region. Then followed by Europe, we know that's Europe, the European region, as well as the next is AFRO, which is the African region, and we also have the WPRO, which is the West Pacific region, all right, which is the West Pacific region. So we can tell from here that the AMRO cases, okay, so this is the AMRO cases, which is the American region, and this shows that there's that COVID-19 has impacted the American region more, followed by the Southeast Asian region, followed by Europe, followed by the EMRO, which is the Eastern Mediterranean region. And we can see here again that the African region is not as affected, so not really affected, okay? Or should I say is one of the least most affected regions around the world. All right. So, and that's also showed here. Okay, the African countries which have been impacted, and we can see that the cases are minute. I mean, if we look at this chart here, you can see that the cases are minute, and only South Africa is in the top here. Okay, but even to get South Africa, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so 17. And all right, and we can see Nigeria is here, not a lot of cases, all right, compared to the other regions. When we look at the other regions, the American region, for example, we can tell the impact. Okay, we can tell the impact. So this is based on the data which I sourced from the World Health Organization's website from 23rd December 2021. So let's then look at the data which I saw from the NCDC's website. Okay, and this is specifically about Nigeria. So globally, the global reports or data from World Health Organization has shown us that African countries are not being really impacted by COVID-19, and that you'll find the impact of COVID-19 and COVID-19 outbreak and cases in the American region, in Europe, and other regions. All right, so let's look at Nigeria. Okay, this is based on data from the NCDC. All right, so the top states in Nigeria which have been affected by COVID-19 or the outbreak are Lagos, Delta, and the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. So if we look at Lagos, for example, so this is where Lagos is. All right, we can see the number of cases. So this shows us that cases that have been confirmed in the lab, 85,962. Cases on admission, 5,146. Discharged, that is, cases confirmed but then discharged, that's 80,000. Deaths as a result of COVID, 757. Excuse me, 757. We can then look at Delta State. Also, we can look at Delta State here, and this also shows the number of cases in Delta. You can also see the FCT, and we can move to River State. All right. While for the other states, the cases are fewer. We can say we have one of the reasons is that Lagos. I mean, we know that Lagos is the commercial capital of Nigeria, and a lot of people in Lagos. Estimate the population of Lagos is estimated to be around 20 million, right? Subject to when the next census will be conducted. And we know FCT is the Federal Capital Territory of the country, and there are a lot of people there. And also the other states, we have some other states here. So we have 36 states in Nigeria, and you can see that we've not had a lot of reported cases of COVID-19 outbreak in Sokoto, Kogi, Kebbi, in all these northern regions, and Cross River, which is in the south, and north. Okay, because we do not have a lot of people. The population there isn't has not been impacted by COVID-19 compared to the city of Lagos and to more urban areas. So this shows us that there's more COVID-19 outbreak in urban areas than rural areas. All right. So we can also, this chart also shows us, this bar chart shows us the confirmed cases. These are the confirmed cases. Okay, so confirmed cases 227,297. Okay, cases on admission 12,547. Discharged 211,761. Okay, and death. So we can see that fewer cases of death arising from COVID-19 in Nigeria. All right, let's look at this donut chart. This donut chart also shows us cases based on each state as well as those discharged and all right. While this donut chart tells us this pie chart, rather, this is a donut chart, right? So while this pie chart also tells us the confirmed cases as confirmed cases and compared to confirmed cases compared to number of deaths. So this shows us the number of confirmed cases against the number of deaths. So when we look at this, we can see that in Nigeria, right, out of the 227,000 confirmed cases, so we have 227,000 confirmed cases, 98.2%. We only see the death of about what? Of less than 3,000. Okay, and so this goes to show, or this tells us that COVID-19 has not really led to the death of a lot of people in Nigeria. So there are confirmed cases, but death arising from COVID-19 is minimal. All right. Thank you so much for watching and listening. If you have any question or comments, kindly post in the comment section on the video. Thank you so much. All right. So next, I'm going to share my COVID-19 Tableau visualization with you. Thank you.